Hey folks, welcome to our channel. If you wish to learn how to fix the error 0x803f8001, then let's look at the following solutions. So this is basically an error which pops up when we open the Microsoft Store app or we have something to do with Microsoft Store. So what solutions we have is either we reset Microsoft Store or we reinstall Microsoft Store. So to reset Microsoft Store, we press the Windows and the R key and we type in the command wsreset, wsreset, and press enter. And this will reset the Microsoft Store. If this doesn't fix the error, then we can reinstall Microsoft Store. So what we need to do is we need to enter this command, get app package all users microsoft.windows store for reach, add app package, disable development mode, register, install location, app manifest.ext. So we will copy this app manifest command to reinstall the Windows Store app. We press Ctrl C and you will find this command in the description of the video. So we will open PowerShell, right click and run as administrator. This is very important. All right, so let us paste the command. It got copied twice. All right, so let us paste this command and let's run the command. And this should reinstall the Windows Store. I hope this video helped you and please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.